guys! Today I'm going to show you the Clover Interchangeable Tunisian crochet hook set. Hi, my name is Nikki. I'm the creator of Nikki's Homemade Crafts. Let me show you what's inside this awesome set. When you first open the set, you can see that you get 9 crochet hooks ranging from 3.5 all the way up to 8. So we have 3.5, 3.75, 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5, 6, 6.5, and 8 millimeter. You get 9 wooden crochet hooks that are all interchangeable. You also get 5 stoppers to make sure that you're not losing your stitches when you crochet in Tunisian. These stoppers fit perfectly in that little pouch right here. Right underneath you have 3 pouches for your cords. There are plastic and metal cords in different sizes. You're going to get a 16-inch, 24 and 29-inch, 36-inch, as well as a 48-inch. So let me demonstrate to you with the 16-inch cord how the interchangeable part works. So I like to start with my stopper right here. So once you have your stopper, you can add it on either side of the cord. You simply screw it on very easily. You can see I can just use one finger, and it's very tight, and it has a beautiful smooth transition between cord and stopper. So you can make sure that none of your stitches get stuck. Now I'm just going to pick the biggest crochet hook right here, the 8 millimeter, and simply screw it in here. And you can easily screw this in, as you can see. And look at this. It has the metal part right here is the one that turns. That means, watch, if I hold this cord tight, I can still move my crochet hook right here. So which means that when you move your crochet hook while you're crocheting in Tunisian, it allows you to make sure that the cord stays in one position, but you can easily crochet without having to worry about the cord getting in a wrong position, or that it kind of twists up, or it gets very uncomfortable. This crochet hook with this cord is perfect. I've had many different crochet hooks that were specifically for Tunisian. They were either just very long crochet hooks that, in my opinion, were very hard to work with because they weren't bendable in the back where the actual crochet stitches are sometimes being held. And then I had these other crochet hooks that were either with metal parts on it, or they had very hard plastic parts that you couldn't take off. That means they had a certain length and that was it. These ones allow you to change them out anytime you wish. So let's say you are making a scarf and you're getting bigger and bigger in the scarf. You can easily change out the cord anytime you wish and make it longer. You can continually crochet without having to worry about that a cord at some point gets too small, which I had many times. I had tube ones before, I had metal ones before, and plastic ones. Never liked them. That's why I have taken a long break from Tunisian crochet. But now that this set is available, I'm beyond pleased. I am super happy. I'm really getting into Tunisian crochet again. This set really allows me to crochet in a very peacefully and calm manner, knowing that my stitches don't fall off, knowing there is a stop at the end. And I can exchange my cords out anytime I wish, no matter what project, even within a project, doesn't matter. Now on top of that, this wood is so nice and smooth, and the hook itself is very light, that you can easily crochet Tunisian and the stitches very easily glide back and forth, but they're not slippery like what you would have for a metal crochet hook. They're just gliding enough. You have an easier time to crochet with these wooden crochet hooks. On top of that, it has a nice pointy head to it that allows you to insert your hook very easily when it comes to Tunisian crochet. So Having an inline crochet hook here is also, in my opinion, very important when you do Tunisian crochet. I usually use tapered crochet hooks, but for Tunisian crochet, I really prefer the inline one because it allows me to keep my stitches more tightly where they're supposed to be. So when I crochet Tunisian, it's easier to go back, especially the going back row is a lot easier when you have a inline crochet hook. So this set, in my opinion, is so fundamental. So let me show you how easy it is to take it apart and put together. I simply take my cord off. I like to put my stopper back where it was so that way I don't lose it. I like to keep the little pouch here, the little foam thing right there, and put it back in my pouch. I put this back right here in the little pocket. I like to keep my hook safe by putting this little flap over, and then you can simply roll this together. I insert my strap right here and pull a little bit, and it is tight. I didn't even have to make a knot, and look, if I can pull here, you can see I'm pulling here, it's not gonna go loose, which is really nice when you have it in your pocket. You can make sure that this pouch doesn't open right away in case you kind of move around in your pocket. You won't lose your crochet hooks or your cords or your little stoppers. They're all in a safe space right here. You can use it anytime you wish. You can exchange your hooks anytime you wish. It is such an easy way to crochet with these Clover interchangeable Tunisian crochet hooks. I really highly recommend these, and as I said, I've used different ones before, but this set it just makes my life so much easier when it comes to Tunisian crochet, and I promise you, you will feel the same way once you have tried them. Try one crochet hook with one cord and a stopper, or get the entire set, which is a lot cheaper in the long run. You will see how easy it is to work and how much more pleasant it is to crochet Tunisian. In case you're interested, I have several Tunisian crochet tutorials already on my website for the Tunisian simple stitch, purl, knit, and full stitch. So 4 stitch tutorials all for Tunisian crochet. There's many more to come in the very near future. On top of that, I have 2 free crochet patterns already using this specific set already on my website. It is the tri-color Tunisian scarf as well as the Tunisian block scarf. Both of them used these crochet hooks. One of them was a 5mm, the other one was an 8mm. I really love this set. It is important to use a set that allows you to crochet peacefully and happily when you do Tunisian crochet, otherwise it can get very frustrating. This set allowed me to be very calm and happy, and I have to tell you, you will not understand it until you get the set. I promise you, especially if you tried Tunisian before, this set is the way to go. I hope you enjoyed this review. Go get your own set. I promise you, you will love it just as much as I do. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like, comment, and share, and follow me on the rest of my social media pages. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Bye.